Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing something. Ooh, would have never guessed. So, you're just gonna see for yourself what we're unboxing, okay? So I'm gonna open this, with my trusty knife, my unboxing knife. It's not really big, it's sharp. I'm just gonna cut a hole in it. Yeah, that was a good hole. So it's like, so as you can see, I'm not really good at unboxing, so sorry. Like, it's really secure. Oh, bro, I'm using all of my and I think I'm strong. Apparently, I'm not the people that made this. Whoa. Oh, I need to cut this tape. Okay, wait, I'm gonna hold it like this, sort of. Whoa. Oh no, that was really bad. Okay, we're doing progress. Okay. Okay, I've done it. Okay, we're taking this out. Oh, wait. I have this one song stuck in my head. It's called Informer by Snow. One of those songs. Okay, we're good. It's open. First, we're taking this out. This is the stand, apparently. So this is the stand. Open that. So, we're opening the stand. Now, some people, very rare, but some people might know what this is from the stand. So yeah, we're opening the stand currently. So far, this is, oh, wait, it's like this, oh, that's, okay, yeah, okay, we have the stand. Oh, we have another part to the stand, like, whoa, this is really this is really good unwrapping. I'm surprised. So it looks to me, okay, so this is the stand. Like this, I guess. It's like this, sort of. I don't know how to put that on, but don't worry. So it looks like it's like real wood, all of it. That's a surprise. Whoa, I need to be real careful with this. Okay, maybe most people that, that's really nice. That's really nice. This is real, like, hair. What is this? This is so weird. This is nice, okay? This is really nice. If you don't think that's nice, I don't know what you think is good. Nice. Whoa! Okay, so it's not as heavy as I thought it would be, but it definitely is, like, real metal. Like, that's a lot of bubble wrap. See, I like how good they made the wrapping for this. It's like so nice. Whoa, this is sharp. Jeez. So now this is wet because they put it in the factory, but I saw a video on this exact helmet, and they said that it's wet. All you have to do is like get a cloth and wipe it off. So it is wet. It's like from the factory, but don't worry because it's okay. So yeah, it's oily. It's really, oh, that's really weird. It's like weird. It's grease, but don't worry because I know how to. Okay, so this is how you like. I don't know how to put this on. I think I do because like this. Oh, I got it. It's like this, I think. Wait. Oh, yeah. That is really cool. That is really cool. That is really nice. Whoa. King Dienekes helmets. That is really cool. This is really oily, but I will claim this. This is the end of the video. It is really nice. So basically, this is a King Dienekes Spartan helmet. Now, there's this movie called The 300. This was not featured in that, because I'm pretty sure. So, this is really weird. So, this King Dienekes was in the 300. So, he was in the battle of, like, the original Battle of Thermopylae. But he didn't wear this helmet. He wore another, like, he wore a normal Corinthian without the plume. This has a plume, so it's really nice. Plume basically meaning like the horsehair. So it's really oily, but the thing is, you just get a cloth, maybe put some water to the cloth, wipe it off. That's it. So, besides that, this is really, I'm really surprised with the attention to detail for this helmet. This was pretty expensive, but not as expensive as like most of the helmets. This was like $54, so pretty cheap, because some are like 80, like, one time I saw one that was like $200, so it's like, this wasn't the cheapest one we found. It was like in the mid-range, $50, yeah, so it's okay. It's really nice, actually. It's real steel. It's like, wait, it's real steel. The stand is wood, I don't know what that's called, but where the plume attaches to, that's like wood, real, so it's really nice. So anyways, we have to go. I'm gonna put it on real quick, okay? Okay, I think it's ready to put on. I think we have to do anything to it. Okay, this is really hard. This is Sparta! So yeah, this is what it looks like. Really nice. If you have the money, I do recommend this. If you don't have the money, I do not recommend this basically. But if you have the money to get this, I do recommend it. Just make sure you have a clean cloth so you can wipe it off, because it's really oily, and that's not a good thing, but it's a bad thing when you can't, like, get it off. In this instance, you can get it off, so that's a good thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You saw what it looks like on me. I have to go now. Bye. Make sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, and click the little bell to like. See you in another video.